automotive brand, Kia may be relatively new to India, but over the last 2 decades, it has been leading from the front in automotive design, technology, and reliability. It's no surprise that a number of reputed awards have gone into its kitty. Recently, Kia bagged the top honor in the automotive world, and its premium SUV, the Telluride, became the World Car of the Year for 2020. It was voted as the best of the best by 86 automotive journalists from 24 countries. At the World Car of the Year Awards, the Kia Soul EV also bagged the World Urban Car of the Year. While globally Kia have been making waves, they've had quite a story in India too, winning the Oscar of the Indian automotive industry, the Autocar India Car of the Year and Manufacturer of the Year for 2020.
The award goes to Kia Seltos.
But let's begin where their story began. The story begins way before the Seltos launch in 2019. The company actually began their research many years prior to launch by conducting numerous clinics in Korea. Automotive journalists, dealers, and other test groups viewed the product at every stage of development, and their inputs were noted and taken into consideration before the next stage. The manufacturer also opened its new facility at Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh in record time, and its market research and product planning teams were able to accurately interpret the needs and wants of the SUV buyer. And a dynamic localization strategy helped Kia Motors get the pricing bang on for India and cars into the market at a rapid pace. What makes these achievements truly stellar is that Kia has done it largely on the back of one product, the Seltos, with the Carnival adding to sales figures only in February 2020. The Carnival, Kia's second product for India, was launched at the 2020 Auto Expo. Kia also have their sights firmly trained on the SUV space, and at the Expo they showed the concept of their compact SUV, the Sonet. The compact SUV space is hot in the Indian market, with many products already vying for attention. But as they did with the Seltos, Kia have carefully measured the values of the Indian customer and built the car. Learnings from the Seltos have also been taken on board, and as seen of all of Kia's products, this too will be expected to come with a high level of quality and features to set a benchmark. Kia's focus on SUVs is not only in India, it's global. The recent victories of the Kia Soul EV and the Kia Telluride beating some stiff competition at the top award for the automotive industry, the World Car of the Year, just drives home their commitment to produce top-notch products. Both products have impressed jurors globally.
From the moment I saw the hamsters riding around in the Kia Soul, I knew I would love that quirky little crossover. Now that it has a new powertrain, it's only another reason to like it more.
The Kia Soul EV is for me the perfect implementation of the affordable EV car.
Performance, environment, and innovation are the main three areas it outperformed its competitors.
Kia really flipped the script on that. They really made a bigger SUV, has tons of room, fits the family pretty well in it, and it really is a lot different.
Kia totally knocked it out of the park with this one. It's bold, it's upright, it's aggressive, and it looks like nothing else that's currently available on the market. Overall though, I think that the Kia Telluride is a huge win in the three-row SUV segment.
It had the right look, it's that big butch SUV, comfortable, spacious interiors, good level of quality, packed with features. I think it just ticked off all the right boxes.
The big prize, the World Car of the Year 2020, was won by the Kia Telluride because of a combination of a lot of things. Its road presence, its refinement, its features, its space, and all of it at a fantastic price.
The thing that struck me most is the quality, the design inside, and the technology. I was in it thinking, this is better than a BMW X7 at half the price. And if this is a sign of what Kia can do in the future, they're going to be a really major player.